Hi guys, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to make layered chapatis step by step. Actually, we are making carrot chapatis. So as you can see, the first thing is to warm your water and measure your water well. This is how I measure my water. For every 1 kilogram of flour, I actually use half ml of water. And for every 1 kilogram of flour, I use 150 ml of oil. As you can see, the carrots are grated and I have put some cloves of garlic for taste, which I will remove before kneading. Then I have used half a tablespoon of salt. So please note that 1 tablespoon is enough for your chapatis, like for 2 kgs, for those people who over salt their chapatis. So as you can see, that's me kneading my 1 kg of flour, and you can see the carrots are looking very yummy and popping out in the orange color. The kneading is now taking place. That is now after you have put in everything. You knead and knead and knead, and now cover it for around 30 minutes and make sure you oil it after kneading. So nimewakisha jiko. After kuwakisha jiko, my karai is ready, and this is me now rolling my dough so that I can make some good shaped balls for the final chapatis. You roll. As you can see, I just look for a comfortable place to do my few chapatis for supper. We are making it today with some beans. And after rolling, the next thing is to oiling and spreading, as you can see. So basically, as I said, 1 teaspoon of salt is enough for 2 kgs of flour. So that is something that I've already done my research. So you need to pay me for that. That's my oil. If you have fat, make sure you melt it. Yeah. Just put enough oil. Don't put too much. Spread it. Pole tu. Pole ndio mwendo. As you can see. The next thing is now to spread some ngano. This is a technique I also learned here on TikTok. It helps the layers come out. So you slice. Make sure that the outcome is uniform, because you also need to have uniform balls. So that's it. You can make chapatis for breakfast, for dinner, for lunch, or you can start selling them for business. Actually, I have a restaurant, that's Infinity Restaurant and Catering, and that's where we do our chapatis. The small ones is 30 bob, the big ones is 60 bob. Like this one is big. You can see it's huge. Nakula moja tu na shiba. Una roll pole tu, and make sure that kila kitu iko na technique. Make sure unaifold kwanza before uanze kuroll. Ifold vizuri. After kuzifold, that's the balls. Oil them also so that they are not dry. You can see I'm oiling them. The next thing is now to roll one at a time to get the round shaped chapati. Roll. As you can see, that's Kitui Football Academy water. We have some very nice delicious water for our football academy. It's only 30 Kenyan shillings, so if you can support us by buying, we'll appreciate. Also order some chapatis to support our restaurant. So you roll and make sure that you roll as you move your hands in a circular motion. As you can see, the chapati is moving in a very circular motion so that it comes out with a very nice shape. Have you ever seen chapatis which have corners? This is because of poor technique of rolling. So our chapati pan is hot. You just need to place your chapati and now be there to turn it and put another chapati, turn until you have at least 3, so that you can oil 3 at a time or 4 or even more. It depends on what you like. Some people just love to just oil one at a time. As you oil and turn, make sure you press so that you get the nice golden color. So this is the upper side, no oil. The lower side has oil. At that moment, as you oil the upper side, make sure that now as you spread the oil, you also press. You press against the pan. The hot pan will now bring the flowers that we have always admired in chapatis. Now look, that's our flowers. Our flowers are now coming out. Flowers zetu zinatokelezea. Make sure you're generous with your oil, as you can see. And as you can see, I'm pressing and pressing. Pressing as I turn, pressing as I turn, pressing as I turn. Wow! Look at maua yetu. Wow! Maua imekubali. Now, there is another tip that I would like to share with you. While making carrot chapatis, look at this maua. While making carrot chapatis, make sure that you grate with the finest side of the grater, because the bigger the pieces of the grated carrots, the more they will punch holes on your chapati. So the chapati will be having holes as you roll and roll. So itakuwa tu shimo tu hapo inatokelezea random, which is not very good. So si nimewambia tip. So tell me, hizi chapati zangu unaona tuzikule na nini? What do you love with your chapatis? For me, I'm planning to eat them with beans. I will not show you how to cook the beans now, but maybe later. But maybe you have some good ideas. For me, I've also loved before to take the chapatis with beans and tea, strong tea, ginger tea. But maybe in future I'll try putting some minced meat inside to make them chapati rolls. Wow, look at the chapatis. Look at them. Place your order. 50 per chapati. Look at them. So soft. Look at them. They are crunchy outside but very soft and layered inside. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Very tasty. Na iko na hiyo harufu na taste ya kitunguu saumu. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, Lucy Jones Frontier. Subscribe to my restaurant channel, Infinity Restaurant and Catering. Place your order. And God bless you.